All right, today we're going to bring a ceiling fan, and this is pretty much what you get the entire thing. They have two options, the smaller pole or the larger pole. Now the whole setup is installed very simple because it has a module to control what you control. You got different features under your control. You got 1 through 6 forward and backwards, different hours. You want to set this up, different tones, and you could always hit the audio so you won't beep every time you turn it off and on. And then LED is an option because it doesn't have LED on the actual fan, but you can always add it in here. So this is pretty much what you get, a standard. We're going to set it up today, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to set up. So currently we have one fan here, we have another one here, and we are going to set up one in the entrance. So we are going to have multiple fans so we could cool off this whole entire area here. So because we're going to actually set up on a ceiling very high, we pre-built it first on the ground, except for this attachment that's going to be hanging and locking in place the system. Now you could pre-wire up on the roof, on the ceiling where you're going to do the work, but my recommendation, if you're going to, this is a little heavy, so you could even take these off and put these off at the end. But my recommendation, if you're going to do a ceiling as high as we are right now, I'm going to show you how high it is. We like to pre-built it here. We've done 3 of them already, and that's a perfect way to do it. So I'm going to set it up and see how it looks and see how strong it is. All right, so here we have the actual fan set up already. We're a little high up here, and we could turn it on and off. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to put 1. We just hit number 1. It's going to go on 1. We're going to go all the way to 6 on this one. All right, it's a little wobbly because I'm on the steps, on the stairs. We'll put 6, and it's off the full pole, so I don't have to worry about it. We measured it. We make sure it's not going to hit any poles, anything. So it's working very well. It's very quiet, a level 6. Now what we're going to do, we have 1 through 8, and then we have a wave effect, and then home, we'll home it back. Timers, of course, and then the beeping sound, you could turn it off. Right now we have 1 through 6, so I'm going to go back to 3, and it makes a beeping sound every time. But you could kill it with the beeping sound if you want, but I prefer it just to make sure that it's working well. So we're going to do it at 6 and keep it at 6. My recommendation, if you're going to build it on the floor first, hang it at the end. So it's very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.